Again, if you already have your gel brush, a suggestions is going to be is Crystal Trifecta. And then don't forget the top coat right on the top. The purpose of it is not only it double secure your crystals, also it's going to seal completely the condensed glue gel, so it's no tacky layer after you finish, and you don't have to worry about going around with the crystal and fill it in the top coat, because it's going to be really high chance that you are going to getting yours top coat all over your crystal. Okay, you can add some crystal in here too. It looks so cute though with the tips. If you want some crystal here, we can add some crystal on. But if you're like, okay, you're not sure, then we're gonna add it later. I'm gonna show you how a tip and trick how you're doing it. And we are going to add this beauty right here. It's go perfect with these nails. I get a really good use for that 3D handcrafted flowers. Is that perfect? Mm-hmm. Like it, huh? I'm gonna add some crystal around. How everyone's like it so far? If you don't like it, it's okay, because my nails, so I enjoying it. Like if you don't like it. But I bet you will love your nails that when you create with the sub box. So do what you like and enjoy it, because you are going to either do it for yourself or for your client. So enjoying it. Alright, so I think I might want one of this right here. One of this right here. How about that? Oh, this is neighbors decide to come party, so then we'll let her right there. Okay. And then, oh my god, that's some cute little flowers right there. Okay, I'm gonna invite her come too. Look, she's hanging right there. Hey, you are doing what you like to do. If you love it, do it. Alright, I'm gonna go on and on about this. The toe and tie. You can't see the what is that? The colors that I have?
No, you do.
The neon green.
It's really, really powerful. You see other things with it, but the base you still see color.
So I am using is really cool. I am having so much fun right now with these little bags. I just want to make sure that you have a lot for your money. So you're not only enjoying it, it's just not only for 1 month of the supplies you can have. A lot of them will last you a good quite amount of time. Alright. You can go on and on if you want to. Super cute. so much fun with this. I'm gonna do maybe one colors on this. The one a little like a white opal, I see it here. Right there. I think it's gonna be so cute with this. And to protect it. Where I'm at. Why yours going all the way there? Okay. So we are going to cure this for 60 seconds.